I came up carving hours out of broken clocks. While you inherited the keys, never picked the lock. I learned to stand when the pressure tried to bend me. You learned the rules, but the rules never tested you heavy. I slept on doubt, woke sharper every season. You had a head start, still searching for a reason. Every scar I carry got a lesson attached. You flex what you were given, I respect what I match. I built momentum when the floor was unstable. You talk big at the table, I built mine from the cable. No silver spoon, just hunger in my tone. I don't say I earned it, you can hear it in the boom, 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 boom.